The expression between a rock and a hard place is an idiomatic phrase that describes a situation where someone is faced with two equally challenging or undesirable options. It conveys the feeling of being trapped or caught in a dilemma with no easy or favorable solution. The phrase suggests that the individual is metaphorically wedged between two opposing forces or circumstances, both of which present significant difficulties or obstacles. The rock represents a solid and immovable barrier, while the hard place symbolizes a situation that is equally challenging or unforgiving. Together, they create a sense of being in a tight and uncomfortable position, with limited room for maneuvering or finding a favorable outcome. Between a rock and a hard place is often used to describe scenarios where individuals face difficult choices, each with their own set of negative consequences or risks. It highlights the feeling of being torn between two unappealing alternatives, where there may be no clear or easy way out. This expression can be applied to various contexts, such as personal relationships, professional decisions, or challenging circumstances. For example, it can refer to a person who must choose between staying in a toxic job or quitting without a backup plan, both of which present significant challenges and uncertainties. Similarly, it can describe someone caught between supporting conflicting family members or trying to reconcile two opposing viewpoints. The phrase also suggests a sense of pressure and urgency, as the individual is compelled to make a decision despite the unfavorable options. It conveys the frustration and anxiety that can arise from feeling trapped or constrained by circumstances beyond one's control. In some cases, being between a rock and a hard place may require individuals to weigh the risks, consider potential compromises, or seek alternative solutions. It can be a time of introspection and strategic thinking, as individuals navigate the difficult choices and search for the least unfavorable outcome. However, it is important to recognize that being between a rock and a hard place does not necessarily imply a complete lack of options or solutions. It signifies a challenging situation that may require careful evaluation, creativity, and resilience to find a way forward. In summary, between a rock and a hard place describes a situation where someone is faced with two equally challenging or undesirable options. It conveys a feeling of being trapped or caught in a dilemma with no easy resolution. The phrase emphasizes the difficulty of making a choice when both options present negative consequences or risks. It can be applied to various contexts and highlights the need for careful evaluation, strategic thinking, and resilience in navigating challenging circumstances.